What is up? It is that time. Another weekly update in the Robinhood portfolio. Been in here all day setting up some stuff for the studio. Okay, guys, a few things off the top of my head. One, the account is at $10,400, which is awesome. Okay, I'll just show it to you right now. Let me start screen recording in. So there it is. Okay, I'll pop it up on the screen for you there. But yeah, a few things that I've got going on. One, setting up, the studio here. So we're gonna do a little vlog style stuff. I bought two TVs. So I got that TV. There's another TV over there, 50-inch TV. In addition to the 50-inch TV that's right here. Part of why I'm able to do this is because of managing my finances, right? So this is a business. YouTube is a business. I'm a day trader. My whole philosophy with trading and leveraging the studio has been triple dipping in the things that I'm investing in. So as a YouTuber, I bought all this gear and I was like, oh wow, I should capitalize on the things that I have and the space that I have as a YouTuber and start renting out the studio. So I partnered with a buddy who has a studio business, right? And growing that, it's been great. You'll see a lot of really big names. I had Shaq in here. Okay, I'll throw some B-roll of that. Stuff like that. All of that comes from managing your finances, and it starts with daily action, guys. So really just wanted to highlight that. Also, some other cool things. So we modified this corner. This corner looks pretty dope now. We got some signs in here, spruced it up a little bit. So let's talk about the account. Let's bring this a little bit closer. Boom. Okay, so how is the account doing? We'll put it over there. 10.4K. As you know, so I put $300 a week into this. So $300 gets auto deposit every single week. And then I do $60 a day. I started with $50 a day. And then using ChatGPT, I found some expenses that I could cut out to put more money in. I actually just cut another bill, it was 134 bucks a month. So I'm gonna add that to this starting next week. So slowly as I, constantly going through my finances, adding more money to it, I'll slowly increase my daily contributions. Maybe we'll get to $100 a day, who knows? But this is real, these are real savings. So even though I started this account really just as a challenge for YouTube, really not as a challenge, as an example for YouTube, I'm gonna actually start to manage it more and more as the money gets bigger and bigger. So started this in April 2024. It's January 2025, so still under a year, 10K. Let's go to the primary holding, VOO. This is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. So why ETFs in general? I say this in every single video, guys. An ETF is an exchange traded fund, okay? So the really cool thing about exchange traded funds is that instead of having to figure out what to buy all the time, you can just buy the fund and get automatic diversification. Okay, so automatic diversification means that you don't have to figure out, you don't have to be a stock picker, a professional stock picker. You can just invest in this fund, okay? So I have 11.29 shares. The market value is at $6,208, average cost $524, and it's 59% of my portfolio. Today, or really as of Friday close, up $61, and then the total return on this position, $285. I've been doing this under a year, guys. So the portfolios went up and down. There were some, if you follow, my Instagram posts, TikTok posts, TikTok's gone now. So I started doing my daily posts on Instagram. There are up and down days. The portfolio is up overall. It might go down overall at some point, but in the long term, I can almost guarantee that it will be up, okay? Unless I die during a down period. And if I do die, not to be too dramatic about it, this 10 grand will go to my beneficiaries. So there's so many reasons to be a long-term investor, and I really just want to highlight what is possible. This is just doing $60 every day, guys. Now, maybe you don't have $60 every day. Maybe you're going, Forrest, I don't have $60. Okay, do 20, do 30. How much money would you have right now if you were doing $10 every single day for the last 10 years? More than you have, okay? That's a pack of Oreos, that's coffee. I know we like to meme yo, everyone's saying I'm a millennial. People are saying millennials spend too much on Starbucks. Okay, buy your coffee. But instead of buying that second coffee, put it into the market. Instead of buying that third coffee, put it into the market, right? Instead of doing that extra little bag of Welch's at the airport that's $7, put it into the market, okay? Buy financial security. When you're investing, okay, you are buying something. You are buying security. You are buying options, okay? You're buying safety. You're buying the ability to bury your family and give them a proper burial. Okay, that's something that's really important. You're buying the ability to pay off your car faster if you want to. You're buying the ability to send your kids to school. Okay, if you don't have kids now, maybe you will one day. I don't have any kids, don't plan to, but maybe that changes. Maybe you want to buy a house. Gives you the ability to do that. Maybe somebody comes to you with a pretty slick business opportunity and you're like, man, I don't really have money, but if I had been investing $30 every single day, maybe I would have the money for that business opportunity, okay? So it gives you the ability to have options. That's what I want each and every one of you to have, and the primary option that I want you to have is security, right? The ability to weather the storm. Bad things will happen in life, guys, right? Your roof is gonna need to get repaired. Medical bills in America, we don't have universal health care. So, healthcare debt is one of the primary reasons that people go into bankruptcy in this country. It's unfortunate, okay? And newsflash, if you don't have any serious health concerns, you probably will one day. Yeah, that's just a matter of fact. And if you don't have really, really good health insurance sponsored through an employer, then that's something that could take you out. Okay, I've seen a lot of people in my own life have very big financial trouble due to health concerns. Okay, it's really, really sad. So I want to do my part. Part of me doing this channel is doing my part, helping as many people as I can with something that's really, really attainable. Okay, this isn't some crazy advanced investing strategy. This is just putting money into the market every single day. In VOO right here, you can see that we have, it's 33% tech, okay, 11% consumer cyclical. There's a section consumer services, financial services, things like that. It breaks it down. It's a total market fund really across the 500 biggest and best companies in America, which is why I recommend doing that. Now, what else do I have in my portfolio? I have a bunch of other stocks still that I might divest out of eventually, but all of my investments continuing right now really just going to VOO and Rivian. I really like Rivian as a company. I'm not gonna spend too much time on that. It's an American-made EV company, a lot of smart guys. I like the CEO, I like the company, I like the story of the company. Yeah, hopefully a 10X on that. If I lose money on that position, that's fine, but I really like what Rivian's doing. So I put money into Rivian. You can see they're down here. I have 54.29 shares. Okay, one of my larger positions here, it's $700 here. In my real long-term portfolio, like my non-YouTube one, I have quite a pretty large Rivian position. I've got AMD, Apple, VOO, Tesla, Amazon, Palantir, Cost, Nvidia, Microsoft, Procter & Gamble, Berkshire, A shares, TQQQ, ARM, Johnson & Johnson, Huma, RTX, TSM, JGRO, TGT, SoFi, KMI, SBucks, MSTR, and Rivian. So Starbucks, this is something I'm gonna get out of. I've got a $60 position here. So I will set this to sell, actually, just do sell all. This will do a market sell on Monday. So that's queued up. So that'll go out on Monday open. Cool. So that's the portfolio, guys. Really the last thing that I want to say here in this video, in this weekly update, is the best place to go to see what your money's going to look like when you put it into the market is just go to Google. Okay, so we'll type in Google and type in compound interest calculator, and you can see that the investor.gov link opens up. So this is the one that I use all the time. Sometimes I use ChatGPT to do it. This will give you a consistent answer. So let's say you're starting from zero today and your monthly contribution, so I'm doing daily, it's $300 a week. 300 times 4 is $1,200 a month. So let's do 1200 and my monthly contribution monthly. Let's assume I started this just right now and I'm 33. So let's assume I do this for until I'm 60. It'll be 27 more years, maybe 65. So 27 plus 5 is 12, so 32 more years, and we'll do 8% interest rate, compounds annually. So if I started this challenge right now, that account will be $1.9 million. Okay, so maybe you're doing a little bit less money or more. Let's assume my monthly contribution is half of that. Let's say $600 a month. Come down, hit calculate, and it's $1 million. Let's do half of that. Let's say I can only do $300 a month to start. It's gonna give me $483,000 from this point in time, right? Assuming I started with nothing. So if you feel like you've missed out on your 20s and no one to help you, it's fine, guys, just start. Even if you only do $50 a month, okay, it's gonna be more than zero, $80,000, okay? So as you progress through life, like all things, when you start working on your finances, you're only gonna get better. It's like a muscle, it's a skill that you're gonna start to work. You're gonna get better at it. So even if you're only doing $50 a month right now, eventually that might get up to $100 a month, 200, 300, 400, 500, okay? Your life and the universe is gonna start to service what you're doing on a daily basis. I promise you, okay? There's this energy that goes throughout your life, not to get too woo-woo on you, but it's a real thing, right? If you start to focus on your finances will flourish, okay? What you focus on will flourish, or what you focus on can be your peril if it's negative, okay? So make sure you're focusing on things that are positive. Let's say I double my investment. I go from $1,200 to $2,400 a month. That would give me $3.8 million. So you can see here the value of this, and I've been doing this in private. I don't know what to call my long-term investment portfolio, like my non-YouTube portfolio for a while now. So I have a pretty big sum of money just from doing this, even though I'm an entrepreneur and all of this. And that's the message I want to give. People love debating me about, oh, you shouldn't save, you shouldn't invest, you gotta make $1 million doing some entrepreneur. And it's like, guys, once you make money, you have to put it somewhere. And outside of that, the reason why I want to do this series is that most people aren't entrepreneurs. Like, yeah, it's cool to want a Lambo. Not everybody wants that, right? A lot of people just want financial security. A lot of people are fine doing the 9 to 5. I don't hate hustle culture because I'm a hustler, but I hate the messaging and the way that it's packaged and delivered. And I really want to serve regular people. That's my passion. My passion is really helping regular people who just want to live a normal, good life. That's honestly what I'm really, really passionate about, because those are people that I know, my friends, my family, peers, acquaintances, people I used to go to school with, everybody, people that are, working when I go out, just everybody that I bump into, regular people. Those are the people that I want to help. Yes, it's nice to have the shiny stuff. I like shiny stuff. Okay, I've been car shopping recently. I really want to buy a Huracan Evo. That's on my goal list for this year. And maybe that's on your goal. Maybe you want more or less. Nonetheless, all of us have to take financial security very, very safely, because I can tell you this, especially living here in Miami, beautiful city, this is a place where no matter how much money you have, you can spend it all. Somebody will write you a bill. You make a 50K commission. You can blow 50K in a night here. That's life. That's real life, y'all. So make sure you make smart decisions. Start investing today. If you just started investing or have questions about starting investing, comment down below. Let me know. It doesn't have to be a lot, a little. That stuff fuels me, guys. It's exciting for me to see the changes that I'm making. So yeah, a little external validation is nice. If you have questions, let me know. I'm here to help. Types of videos, questions I can answer, content that you want to see around long-term investing, money management, budgeting, let me know. I'll be doing this for a long time. Nonetheless, my name is Forrest. I invest in stuff I think that everybody should too. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Peace.
I'm never gonna look back, 'cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's fact.